Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can change the profile picture and the name of your profile and the Signal app in your desktop. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to install the Signal app. So as you can see, I've already installed it. So I'm going to open this. We have to double click on this and the Signal app will be open. So as you can see now it's open. Now simply what we have to do, we need to go to this icon. As you can see, this is the profile icon. So we have to click on this. And after clicking on this, if you want to edit your photo, then you have to click on the edit photo. If you want to select an avatar, you can also do that. But I'm going to upload the photo. So let's click on the photo. And now you have to choose that which photo you want to add. So I'm going to choose the photo. Let's choose this one and click on the open. So as you can see now it's here. And now simply what we have to do, we have to click on the save and the photo will be saved. If you want to edit your name, the name option is also provided here. You can also edit it. If you want to add a description and regarding your about, you can also do that. Free to share it. For example, I'm going to copy level and then let's click on the save. And now as you can see, it's set it. If you want to change your username, you can also add that. So in this way, you can manage your profile of your Signal. I hope you guys understand this video. That's how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.